Hey seniors, Miss E here. I just wanted to pop on and tell you that a lot of decisions are being made right now. This is decision time with regard to those who are going to colleges or universities. And it's really important that you update what your decisions are going to be in the college application manager in Schoollinks, because this is really an important step for us to get the required documentation sent to the universities and colleges. When you start seeing your award letters and looking at the pros and cons of cost, this is where you might change from your original ideas of where you wanted to go. And we need to see those updates in Schoollinks. Also, if you are going to the community colleges of Spokane, either SF or SFCC or SCC, we need to add that into College Application Manager as well. Log on to Clever.